Today we're unboxing the Greenworks electric chainsaw and pole adapter, also called a Polesaw. That's the box that we've got here. First, we have the instruction manual. A little bit of packaging. The saw comes out first. This is the saw, the cover on it. Just here. Power cord here, which seems through like that. Pole. The pole has cord. So the next step we'll do is to assemble the pole. See how much effort that takes. This is the pole extension for the pole saw. It has a trigger and a button to catch. So that when you push the button, pull the trigger, the button stays in, keeps running until you release the trigger. To show you how it extends. It's got a collar. It's kind of like a compression fitting on a pipe. And it's really nice. It's not just plastic, it's kind of a rubberized plastic, so it's a good grip. I really like that about this pole. Just twist it real good, get it in, take the other one, extend it. That's the same thing there. Make sure it's threaded properly. By the side, with the yellow line and the two holes, is the side that the saw goes into, so let's show you how to put the saw on this. And you open the cover. You see there's an outlet in it. There's two prongs in there, I don't know if you can see that. The two prongs are where it plugs in, so that when it's not using this, it's using this through the pole. And the pole matches it with that. Okay, so we'll put the pole on the saw. You want the two holes on the side of the saw that this is on. So we'll flip this around. Great. It goes in about that far, a little more than a thumb width maybe. Locks on, and you're ready to roll. So that's the pole aspect of this. Next we'll see how it cuts. So I haven't oiled this thing. I'm sure it takes oil, and it has a self-oiling feature to it that keeps the blade oiled, but I'm going to do a quick demo just to show that it works before I do that little bit of maintenance. Mostly because I'm anxious to kill some of these branches. pretty good. Now the chain oil is not provided, so you have to have your own. That would be the next step in this. There's another thicker branch there that I want to try. So I got some power motor engine oil, and we're going to oil this thing. The top's already open. Get the oil in, close the oil cap, and now getting an oil level indication. That's about halfway there. Now see if I can do this in a way that you can see. It's kind of hard to get some of these tree details, but there's a branch right there that I'm not liking, and I want to cut it off.